Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chin Pumasagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin ang nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is Archangel Michael messages for the sign of Sagittarius. Sagi, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Ano kayang kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagittarius ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time and anywhere. So guys, umpisahan na natin ha. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. So ayun na po. Angel Spirit, please give information for the sign of Sagittarius. Archangel Michael messages. Give information. Uy. Your inner guidance is really trustworthy. O mapagkakatiwalaan daw yung mga gabay mo, ha? And it's, this is your life purpose. Ibig sabihin, baka ito yung purpose mo sa buhay. And honor and trust your feelings. So, pagkatiwalaan mo rin kung ano yung gut feeling mo at magtiwala ka sa mga bagay na ipinapakita o binabatid sa'yo ng ating mga angel spirit. Yung gut feeling, intuitions, no? So, what is the messages na Archangel Michael na paano natin i-elaborate yan at paano natin mailalahad ang buong detalye dyan. So, ito na. Angel Spirit, please give information for the sign of Sagittarius. Okay guys, please watch my live later, 7 p.m. Because there's a Ten of Swords. Matatapos na raw yung betrayal. Or there's a person, there's some person na they're doing a backstabbing, no? Kumbaga binabackstab ka nitong tao na to. And there's a wish fulfillment by the Nine of Cups. What is additional messages? There's a King of Cups. There's a devoted and supportive person. At the same time, there's a Eight of Pentacles. Trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay. No, kailangan mo mag-focus dyan. And of course, there's a Nine of Wands. There's a final push. Or set a boundaries. What is the Ten of Swords? There's a the Sun card, no? Magkakaroon ka ng clarity. Malalaman mo kung sino yung mga traidor. Malalaman mo kung sino yung mga impostor. Malalaman mo kung sino yung mga inggitera, charis. And because there's a Three of Wands. There's a waiting for a shoot. Or waiting for a result. And waiting for another eksena. And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito, parang there's a moving forward. And there's a travel by a land on water. What is the King of Cups? There's a Two of Pentacles. There's a balance. No? Magiging balance daw tong tao na to sa'yo. And of course, there's an Eight of Pentacles. Okay, Eight of Pentacles represents the Ace of Swords. There's a mental clarity. Kung magkakaroon ka ng kaliwanagan dyan about sa negosyo at trabaho mo. And of course, there's a Queen of Pentacles. There's a practicality. Kung mataas ang sense of nito, entrepreneur. Sinasabi dito, protectionan mo yung negosyo, hanap buhay mo kung may tindahan ka, kung may negosyo ka, no? Hindi mo kailangan magpautang-pautang dyan, marami nagbabackstab. Yung iba dyan, pinapautang mo, sa iba naman na bibili, pag hindi nakapagbayad. No? There's a Five of Pentacles, no? Backstabbing, gusto ka nitong malos, no? Mabankruptcy. Binabackstab ka nito taon to, the Nine of Cups, and of course, the Three of Wands. Ingat-ingat, maka-scammer to, ha? Sinasabi ko dito, baka may scammer dito. What is the Nine of Cups and of course the Three of Wands? What is the Nine of Cups and the Three of Wands? What is the Nine of Cups, Three of Wands? The Moon card, there's a truth reveal. Malalaman mo na at may lalantad na may lalahad na sa'yo ang mga nakatagong eksena. Hidden agenda, hidden enemies, ganon. Kumbaga, it's a thing or it's a person, or it's a human. So, depende yan sa situation. And of course, there's a page of swords. There's an information. Marami sa iyong iyahatid na information. At the same time, there is a page of pentacles. There's a manifestation. May mga fresh ideas ka na panibago. Kung baga sinasabi sa dito, baka bagong strategy or technique to. Sundin mo kung ano yung gut feeling mo. What is the Nine of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles? The Nine of Wands and the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, there's a Ten of Pentacles. There's a long-term success and long-term investment. And of course, there's information na magdadala sa'yo ng long-term relationship, brother. Okay, about sa finances Ibig sabihin sa ground, sa finances. Okay, what is the Ten of Swords? The Sun card and of course the Five of Pentacles. There's a Three of Pentacles. So, ibig sabihin dito about sa collaboration, teamwork, ibig sabihin dito maging maingat ka makipag-socialize, lalo-lalo sa mga paligid mo. Karamihan dyan kapitbahay, no? Makikipag-mosang-mosang sa'yo, chismisan, very light, tapos ang ending yun, yutangan ka, no? Tapos ang eksena niyan, iba-backstab ka, ikukwento ko sa iba, sige, yung kinuwento mo sa kanya, nakarating na sa iba. At the same time, yung inutang niya sa'yo, hindi na binayaran, nung pa bumili sa iba. Diba? Ganun, may mga taong ganyan talaga. What is the Queen of? The Nine of Cups, the Three of Wands, the Moon card. Okay, there's the Word card. Ibig sabihin dito, may bagong mundo na there's a trouble. There's an unexpected moment. Kumbaga, baka mangingibang bansa ka. O, baka gagala ka, uuwi ka ng probinsya or something. And of course, there's a default card. There's a leap of faith. Magtiwala ka sa process of progress. At magtiwala ka na may taong nakalaan para sa iyo. No? Makinig ka lang dyan sa mga guidance mo. And of course, what is the Eight of Pentacles? The Ace of Swords and the Page of Pentacles. There's Seven of Pentacles. There's a harvest time. No? Ipapakita sa iyo yung mga bagay na kung ano may yung tinanim mo, ay siyang aanihin mo. Magbubunga na lahat yan. What is the Nine of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Ten of Pentacles? Mag-ingat dito sa tao na to, yung giterang bisyosang scammer. Okay, what is Nine of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Ten of Pentacles? Okay, there is a Hermit card. May mga bagay na maglilinaw sa'yo. May mga bagay na parang ito yung parang soul searching or enlightenment. What is outcome? Additional outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome mo daw dito is Two of Wands. There's a decision. At the same time, there is a Six of Swords. There's a transition. Decision that makes to transitions. So, babaguhin ka ng eksena dito. Kumbaga, dahil sa nalaman mo at dahil sa alam mong eksena niya na, so babaguhin mo na yung sistema, strategy mo. So, what is the Love Oracle card? About sa love life. Get mo information. There is a career and love life dito and mobile. And of course, sinasabi dito, there is a mirror, no? There is a, kumbaga, sinasabi dito kapag may lamat na yung salamin, no? May hirap na ibalik. Parang sinasabi dito about sa tiwala. Mag-ingat ka lang, ha? And there's a karmic relationship. So, letting go and loving you. So, ibig sabihin dito, makinig ka na sa lesson ng about sa pag-ibig mo. No? About sa love life mo. No? Kailangan mo na makinig. And of course, the golden mirror. No? Kumbaga, may mga pasabog pagdating sa pagmamahal. Marami kang malalaman at marami kang matututunan. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, life has a lessons. No? There's a full of lessons dito. About sa finances and of course, about sa love life. Okay. What is chakra? What is the chakra? What is the chakra? Okay. There's a passion. So, ibig sabihin dito, kung gusto mo talaga yung ginagawa mo, no? Mamamanifest mo yan. Talaga yung desires mo, magiging into reality yan. And of course, there's mysticism. See, alam ko, diba? Sinabi ko din sa'yo kanina. May misteryo dyan to. Itong tao na to lalapit sa'yo, no? Manghihiram tapos kapag nakahiram na sa'yo at sisingilin mo na gano'n, kumaga may lihim na galit na sa'yo, no? So, what is a just messages? and there's a taking action. So, kailangan mo mag-take ng action. And there's an astral travel, no? Kumbaga, there's an information na parang dinadala ka sa deeps. There's a dream soul connection and dream soul travel. And there's a premonition. So, ibig sabihin, meron ka talaga dito kakayanan by spirituality, no? May mga bagay na parang may pasilip sa'yo at parang nakikita mo na yung mangyayari from the nearest future. Then your inner guidance is real and trustworthy. Ibig sabihin talaga meron ka talagang gabay, no? Meron talagang gumagabay sa iyo. Of course, may kakayanan kayo talaga by spiritual. What is the Moonology? Balance spirituality and practicality. So, ibig sabihin, maging balance spiritual mo. And of course, your practical world mo, ha? At the same time, there's you and your loved ones are safe. So, safe naman daw ang iyong mahal sa buhay. So, what is additional messages? There is a freedom. Makakalaya ka na raw sa mga ganyang eksena. And time to decide. Kailangan mo na raw mag-desisyon ngayon, no? Kung ano ba talaga gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. Yung life purpose mo, no? Ibig sabihin siguro, it's time na para mga ibang bansa ka, no? Baka gusto mo mga ibang bansa and there's a humor. Kumbaga tinitignan mo kasi yung mga sides, na both sides. Hindi ka basta-basta tumitingin sa isang eksena lang. Kumbaga there's a decision that you need to make. Pero binabalanse mo pa, no? Tinitimbang mo pa and there's a courage, no? Kailangan mo harapin yung takot at pangamba mo. What is the energy? What is the energy? Energy is a thinking woman. So, nag-overthink ka na at the same time. And of course, there's a happy family dito. Magiging masaya daw ang pamilya mo dito. And there's an angel of balance. So, magiging balance ka raw dito. Binibigyan ka ni God na, or ating mga gabay na, para maging balance ka sa buhay mo. No? Minsan talaga, giging imbalance tayo eh. Lalo-lalo na kung may mga ambisyosa tayo sa paligid natin. What is the Jesus loving code? Love one another and I love you. Ibig sabihin, mahalin mo lang daw ang mga bagay, bawat bagay or mga tao sa paligid mo, no? Kumaga may mga ginawa man sila sa iyo. Kumaga hindi mo kailangan gumente. Bagkus ipaubaya mo sa taas ng mga ginawa nila sa iyo, no? Ganun lang 'yun. What is angel's number? Okay, there is a 4. I am stable. So, ayun yung kailangan mo makuha, yung stable. And you bring stability and rationality to any situation. You are the rock and you hard work and perseverance make you a dependable friend, partner, and courageous. Ibig sabihin dito na pagdating sa mga bagay-bagay, matyaga ka talaga. Even sa mga kaibigan mo, sa mga tao sa paligid mo, matyaga ka kahit na nang gigigil ka na or naiinis ka na, no? Kumbaga, mapagpasensya ka pa rin. What is the messages of life? Sinasabi dito na messages of life is my creative power. So what is my creative power? I recognize the creative power of my thoughts. I know that I can use them to build or to destroy. Today, I choose to use my thoughts to create a universe filled with joy and harmony. I will maintain a positive attitude. I have the power to create love and peace. So, ibig sabihin dito, may mga bagay or kakayanan ka na para makabuo at para makasira. Pero mas ginagawa mong sa ikabubuti mo at ikabubuti ng lahat. It's a good part. Ibig sabihin, ang dami mo natutunan sa buhay at ang dami mong nalaman at ang dami mo pang gustong matutunan. Pero handa ka sa mga posibilidad. It's a good part na, kumbaga, ini-embrace mo yung mga pagbabago na mangyayari sa buhay mo. This is Archangel Michael messages for the sign of Sagittarius. This reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!